Hey guys, it's Jerk Cyclery. Here is the YD100 on the Hypercruiser / LD100. This cylinder I thought was going to be better than the stock one. I might throw the stock one back on it and see if it starts and just not port anything. And on my personal bike, just leave the engine stock and just put an exhaust on it and just send that other cylinder back. Use the fucking joke or throw it away. I don't know, guys. I want to get this bike running and sell it. It's just sad. I wish it would run. I thought it would bark off right away with starting fluid. So yeah, if you have any suggestions other than saying that they're fucking junk, please let me know. This is this exact cylinder. It's ported. It came with a windowed piston, and I'm kind of wondering why it did. But the windowed piston doesn't even fit. So, if these don't get running until next spring, that's kind of where I'm at. I'll just keep dicking with them over the winter to get them started. These do take a while to get running. The friction drive ones just seem to run and run and run. If you want a bike, the friction drive's the way to go. The only reason I'm bringing these back is I gotta have options for people because there might be hills or other obstacles that you might run into. So it's good to have other options. Yeah, I'm running this BBR tuning stage 1 CI. I don't have a kill switch hooked up right now. I'm waiting for that shit to come in. Waiting for a bunch of shit to come in. So, yeah, I'm working on my personal bike, getting that ready. These are the rims for the Huffy. My grub runner, as I call it. So, there you go. There's that piece of shit. So, yeah, fuel tank's on there temporarily until I get it started. Once I get it started and running, I will change things and make it better. Right now, we're just focused on the engine. So later on, probably after Christmas or something, I might just swap it back to a stock cylinder and see if it fires off. That's just how it is right now, unfortunately. Yeah. Or I could, I don't know, we'll figure something out. And that crankcase could be compromised, I don't know. It could be something simple. We'll see. So yeah, this is just what I got going on. I thought that would bark off right away. I'm almost wondering if it's not timed properly. Gotta love it. I just gotta clean more shit up tomorrow and just get this place looking better than it already is. Thank you very much for watching, and have a swell day. I'm out.